Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the activities which can be done at home and school as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, one of the parent asked me that my child is still confused, he's not able to do the activities properly. Obviously guys, when you introduce something new to a child, he will be confused. My son is able to do things because I have started painting and coloring. These all stuffs I have started when he was just 9 months old. In this video he is just 9 months old. This was the day when he started using paints. These paints are homemade paints. I have made it with atta and stuff like that. So guys, you have to start training your child from the early age. In the next video, you can see the way he's holding the pen. He didn't know how to hold the pen. He was just 1.5 years old. And time to time, I just showed him. I did not force him to hold it. I showed him. That's all. And you can see the improvement. This video was taken yesterday. And now he's mashallah 2.5 years old. It just takes time guys. Relax. Our today's activity is based on strokes. So this activity name is shark and the fish activity, and you may require few waste material. Like I had this infant formula box and packet inside it. I'm going to use it as a shark and cutter, scale, pencil, few basic things. This white part we are going to use it as a base, and the silver packet we are going to make a shark out of it. So just outline the shark and we have to cut it. These pieces are not going to go waste. We are using it as fins of the shark. The next step is to make the mouth of the shark. Make an outline and cut it out. Now that our shark is ready, we need to stick the shark to the white base, and we have to place the fins at the right place. First adjust it and then glue it up. The next step is to make the teeth. Once you did it with the pencil, do it with the marker so that it comes out neat. Now that our shark is ready, let's move on to the pocket full of paint. I'll show you how to make the paint. Take wheat flour or atta, a Ziploc bag, food coloring, a bowl and a spoon. Now put the atta into the bowl and add some food coloring to it. Add required amount of water, and there you go. You got your DIY paints ready. Once your paint is ready, put the paint into the Ziploc bag and make sure you don't stuff the paint. You just have to fill it halfway. Now that we are ready with our Ziploc bag, place the Ziploc bag into the shark's mouth and conceal it with the tape.
What have you done, Abrar Sharif? हाँ? क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ?
Water.
What did you do?
Water.
Why did you put water?
नहीं, अबू को
You are cooking? क्या करे? You think you can hide that?
no.
After all that mess, we are ready with our shark. Remember to conceal the top part and the bottom part. Do not conceal the sides. So now we have to make our fishy fish. For this, just I took one color. If you want, you can take different colors and draw all the strokes on it. Once your strokes are ready, you are good to go.
Abrar, what are we doing?
Activity time, yes. Now we are doing shark and the fish activity. Here is a big shark. Yes, and we need to feed the shark. Can you please wait? Wait for Mama to explain you. Now we need to feed the shark. Now let us feed the standing line to the shark, okay? Which stroke is that? Circle stroke. Yes. Now feed the shark. Come on. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Can you draw a stroke over here? Circle. Draw a big one. Yummy. Nom 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 nom. Enough. Thank you. Now can you feed him standing line stroke? That's sleeping line. Here it is standing line. Okay. Slowly, huh? Yes. Feed him. Nom 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 nom. Now can you draw a standing line?
Guys, this activity improves their imagination, their sense of touch, ability to memorize things. Guys, before handing over the pencil, make sure that you do this activity so that your child will remember the strokes and they will learn how to make a stroke, or they will remember the formation of the stroke.
So guys, our next activity will be shapes activity, which is basically a match the following activity. This will improve your child's eye-hand coordination. For this activity, you may require scale, color pens, pencil, scissor, cutter, eraser, glue, and color papers. So guys, let's get started with the activity. Here I have infant formula cardboard, which I am going to use it as a base. Now I am going to draw the outline of the shapes, and later on I am going to cut the shapes on the color paper. Once you place all your shapes properly, now is the time where you have to draw the things which are associated to that shape. The next step is to make holes in front of the things which you made and place the strings accordingly. Make sure you conceal the ends of the string properly, as it will become easy for the kid to put the string in the hole.
Abrar, what shape is this? What shape is this? What's the name of this shape? What is the name of this shape, Abrar? Circle. With the shape circle. What is it? Ball is circle. Can you match it? What shape is this? What shape? Excellent. It is a square. Good job. Can you find something that is square? Can you find something that is square? See over here. Can you find something that is square? What is it? It is a gift box.
This is gift box.
Very good. Can you match it?
Match it.
Take.
Yeah.
Put it inside. Good job. Excellent. Again, what shape?
So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family so that even they can take advantage of it. Thank you so much, guys.